Hi, my name is Miles Hemingway, and I'm the instructor for the Auto Collision and Refinishing Technician Foundations program at North Island College. Practical skills for this program will be gained through NIC's Campbell River campus and also with the cooperation of CSN Reliable. This program will provide you with the ability to approach all aspects of the collision repair process, from assessing damage, creating repair plans, repairing collision damage, preparing surfaces, and applying coatings. Once you've successfully completed this foundations program, you will continue your journey towards a Red Seal ticket. This program will provide you with a level 1 training credit for either automotive refinishing or collision repair, depending on which route you decide to take your career. Training provided in this program will give you an excellent foothold on skills you will need starting an apprenticeship in the workplace. You'll be working with state-of-the-art tools and equipment to repair a variety of substrates, including metal, composites, and plastic. With the amount of people retiring out of the trades, there's plenty of opportunities for work in both auto collision repair and auto collision refinishing. I hope you're as excited as I am to begin this journey together.